Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check eSIM compatibility on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright, so let's begin. So currently I'm on the IMEI.info page, and in here you need to type your phone's IMEI number. Also on our channel I have a video when I'm describing this whole page and how to get access to your IMEI number on your phone, so if you want you can check it. And now we need to simply click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now if you scroll down, you have also the basic information about the phone. In here you can also expand and read it for yourself. But now let's keep scrolling. And in here, the third option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. So that's what we are looking for. And now we need to simply click on this blue button, check eSIM compatibility. And now we have our result. As you can see, this device supports eSIM. Also below we have the brand, the model, our IMEI number, the confirmation that the eSIM compatibility is enabled, and also number of SIM cards. As you can see, it has 2. And below we have the date on which the report was created. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.